Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add Wix content filter for blogs or articles. So adding content filters improve user experience and make navigation easier. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can simply add a Wix content filter for blogs or articles. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the Wix website, then log into your account, then open your website, then go to the dashboard, then click on blog. Then from the in blog manager, select the post, then click on a blog post and scroll to categories and tag. Then click on add categories. For example, you can add categories for fashion, for tech, or for travel. Then add a relevant tag, for example, like a summer trend or smartphones. It depends on any one of your choice. Then click on save and publish. Then after that, go to the Wix editor. Then click on the add icon, which is the plus button, then click on blog, then click on blog element, then choose the blog categories menu or tag cloud, then drag it to the desired location, for example sidebar or the topic. It depends on how you want it. And after that, you can also click on the blog page in settings, then enable the search bar and filter option, then customize the filter types. For example, you can customize by category using fashion, or by tags, which is for trending, and for date, which is the newest or to oldest. Then click on save and publish. And after that, click preview and test the filters. Ensure that selecting a filter updates blogs results correctly. Then you can click on publish to go live. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add content filters for blog or articles on Wix.